Hi, my name is Dr. Anna Fetolli. I am the Associate Dentist here at Facial Beauty Dental. I went to the University of Michigan where I got my dental degree. I am a member of the American Dental Association as well as the Michigan Dental Association. I love working with people because I love getting to know more about each one of my patients. Being able to know them and then also help them is a really rewarding experience for me. I am really excited to work with my patients and I'm really excited to transform their smiles. I know that when I come here, my patients are getting the best equipment. They know that they're getting a dentist that's educated, that really cares about what's going on. And I'm also really excited to work with Dr. Smith and under his guidance to expand that knowledge that I already have. Come visit us at Facial Beauty Dental, where a beautiful smile increases your face value.